Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's unbagging is a little bit unexpected because I didn't expect this to arrive today, and I thought it would arrive in the box, but it's actually just a big bag. So this is an order from the website called SHEIN, SHEIN. If you are not familiar with this website or app, it's a website that you can buy things from China directly and they will ship it overseas to you. From the day I order to the day I receive, probably I would say around 10 days or so. It's not too long, 10 days to 2 weeks. And I'm really curious to check out their product to see if they are any good or just a bunch of horrible stuff. But let's take a look. When I'm browsing through the website, I do notice that a lot of products are something I have been seeing on Amazon. So I wonder if people are buying them from SHEIN and then resell it on Amazon because the price is really low on SHEIN's website. For example, this whole bag is it was actually less than $50. So let's see what I got. Hopefully this plastic bag is not making too much noise. So first thing I got is this a few pair of socks. They come in this Ziploc bag that you can reuse. Four pair of socks in neutral tone color and some blue color. Pretty stretchy, should be comfortable, feel like some kind of cotton blend material, doesn't feel horrible. The size may be a little bit small. Hopefully it fit. Let's see. I knew I ordered more socks, so let's see. I have to say, they look small, like a small fit. The quality feels okay. I mean, feels normal. The fabric feels soft. I'm curious to try it on to see if it actually fits. It kind of looks smaller than my regular socks. So I try it on. It does fit. Surprisingly, I guess because it's so stretchy, so even though it looks small, but it does fit. I'm size 9, so if you are men's size 9, you should be able to fit the socks that's from SHEIN. And they are not bad at all. I would say even better than the other pair of socks that I got from Zara lately. I'm curious to see the rest of this order. Since this channel is mainly kind of bag channel, so I decided I have to order some bag straps. Simple geometrical pattern, you can say. I'm sure the leather here is just faux leather. Hardware does feel cheap, like the metal you can tell is plastic, but the webbing itself is not bad. The thickness is there, so overall it's okay. Just the hardware does feel really cheap, this one. I worry that it will break if I carry a really heavy bags. But otherwise, it's okay. The metal here is not horrible, but this is really cheap. Another back strap. Hopefully this one is better. The webbing is thick and a little stiff, but other than that, I do like the color and the quality of this strap. Let's see how is the hardware. Yeah, their hardware do feel kind of a little bit flimsy. This one is better than the first one I show you, but still feel a little bit flimsy. Not horrible. This one is definitely better than the first one I opened. I do really like this color combination though. One more. I think this one probably from the same company because the hardware feels similar, super lightweight and feel like a little bit flimsy. So I think if you don't carry a lot of stuff, you can definitely try their back strap. But otherwise, I would say I wouldn't recommend it if you carry heavy bag, because even though the webbing is great, but the hardware is not so good. I don't know, maybe I'll figure out a way to replace this with some better hardware from Amazon or something. Okay, this is the last back strap I got. This one, the hardware is similar to the second one, a little bit better, but not horrible. Look like the patterns, they are printed on the webbing, so it's not really like weaved into the fabric itself. So I suspect that after you using for a while, it probably will peel from the webbing. But otherwise, I do like the design and the color, so what could this be? So supposedly this is like a mesh market tote. As I mentioned before, I'm planning my beach vacation, so I'm looking through some options to see what can I find. So apparently it has a internal pocket, a slip pocket. Other than that, pretty simple, straightforward, that you can use and wash and rinse off pretty easily. Not horrible though. I have to say, this can be good for grocery shopping. Yeah. And this will be the last item. I believe this is a corduroy fabric tote bag. The reason I decided to get this because I saw this on Amazon quite frequently, and I did consider buying them from Amazon, and then I saw it on SHEIN's website and it's much cheaper. So I suspect they just bought it from SHEIN and resell it on Amazon. I do like the color, and it has the outside slip pocket for your phone, pretty good size, and then has a magnetic closure. Not the best magnetic closure for sure. Inside of it, it does have lining, but it doesn't have any pockets inside. And the strap seems rather short, isn't it? Let's see how much I can extend it. Okay, not bad, especially since I like to carry my bag on the shorter side, so it fit me. But if your body shape is larger than me and you need longer back strap, this may not work. So it does feel a little short in terms of the length of this crossbody or shoulder strap. So I think if the fabric on the handle could be a little bit thicker, it would look better. But otherwise, it's kind of a casual bag that you can carry it when you go to lunch or something. Not horrible, but not the best either. So after looking through all these items, would I put down another order from SHEIN's website? I would say probably not for now. In terms of the quality, I do feel like they are slightly below average. Although the design and the color, they don't look bad, but in terms of the quality, it's not quite there. So if you have been always interested in buying on the SHEIN's website, I would say maybe wait a little bit. If they are able to improve their quality in the future, then maybe you can try it. In terms of this bag, I did see on Amazon, so based on the quality, if they are the same, I'm not sure if they are the same. If this is the same as the one I saw on Amazon, then I probably would not recommend it. It's just a very straightforward, simple tote. It's kind of like you get what you pay for kind of situation. So thanks for joining me today for this quick unbagging from SHEIN, and hopefully you find this information helpful and help you save some money. Thanks, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.